Hi guys, so we are currently here at Berry Hill Blueberry Farm at
Hi guys. So guys, we pick a lot of blueberries here. So there's a lot of blueberries that are so ready. So you can pick the ones that are small, but they have to be also kind of big so that it can be sweet.
So, tingnan natin later kung ano maluluto natin dito sa ating blueberry. At ayan ang ating isang kasama. So ayan, binigyan na kami ng tub ng plastic.
I hope we go on a boat ride.
Nagpe-pelan. So, lagay mo ng siwan.
Lagyan mo sa iyo. So we are going to have repellent spray on the legs.
What? What's this thing for?
Pelan.
Oh, okay.
Put it there.
Do you want to let's put this in the straws? Bye.
Ayan, nilalagyan ng repellent.
Go guys. Okay, let's go guys.
Hi, Joseph. We're going to pass through here. Alright. Go there. Baka may naman.
Hey, can we eat this? Huh?
No. Try mo. How does it taste?
Sweet.
Yummy?
Yeah.
So, ayan. So, this is the farm. The blueberry farm. Huh? Mm-hmm.
They have different colors.
Ayan, ang baba lang. Halos humahalik sa akin yung...
Get one.
Ayan.
Sweet.
Later, because I am with Joseph. Wow! Shapaker. Ayan.
Guys, look! This one's big.
May I see?
I found 3 big ones. I mean 6. 6 big ones.
Ayan. Wow.
Get one. Go get.
Oh, Joseph, get. Where? Wow. Cool.
So guys, look.
May I see? Taste it.
So guys, look. I found 2 big ones.
Hitik sa bunga. Ang init nga, lemeng. Oh, ang dami bunga, oh.
I forgot to get my hat. Yeah. I'm like, it's like 100 degrees.
Tingnan ka ng mimitas mo. Ayan, namimitas na si Bex.
Fell.
Ang dami. Oh, hitik na hitik ko. Ang dami niya.
So guys, I'm gonna eat in front of the camera. So we have here.
You taste it. Ayan. Ikaw, kumain ka na?
It's good. Good. Very good.
Ay, sa'yo pa to.
Everything that I tried was so sweet.
Ikinakabit ni Joseph ulit, anak pag napitas. So you'll not be able to return it anymore. Oo, talaga ikinakabit niya.
Already the end.
Juan, binabalik ni Joseph yung blueberry. Hindi mo naman kailangan maglakad ng madami kasi sa totoo lang, hitik na yung bunga niya. Kahit sa isang puno ka na lang manguha, ano. Ayun, naman yan sa taas.
Mom, where is it? I'll get it.
Oh, ayan, ganyan lang siya.
So guys, I'm gonna pick up the blueberry. So this is what I'm gonna pick. And yeah, so you just like pull.
Oh, you taste it.
Sour. So guys, I found about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I found about 9 blueberries. So yeah.
Di ba nun?
Namimitas na yun. Tapos lalagay din sa bucket.
Baka naman bulok ang nilalagay nun. So this is the
Namimitas
bucket. O, diba? Oh, may namitas na bata, oh. Tapos, ano kayong gagawin dito sa pinitas niya? Ano lagay niya sa pinitas niya? Aba nga naman!
You said that the one that you put is so far.
Kasi yun lang yung abot niya. Oh, namimitas siya, oh. Oh. Tapos, pagkapitas niya, ay, you get another one. Get another one. Ayan. Namimitas siya. Sige, pitas, anak, pitas. Go. And then, pagkapitas, ang kaya niya dadalhin yung pinitas niya.
Put it.
Oh, pitas. Just this one. Yan. Oh, where are you going to put it? Wow!
Dami na rin.
Nessie?
Ang sana.
Ang dami. Oh.
Ay, wow!
Ano
Wow!
naman siya? Usually kasi kaya hindi ako masyadong fan ito. Dahil yung nabibili natin sa mall ang asim. Ano Juan?
Yeah.
Isa kami nakabili ito sa mall at wala akong nakitang matamis.
Yes guys, pero dito po sa farm po, meron pong ma-sweet po. Tapos iba po maasim.
Oh, sige, Yosef. Blue. Which one is blue?
Color blue.
Oh, which one is color blue? There. Very good. Oh, get it.
Blue.
You can get that. Oh, get the blue one. Okay, that's good. Oh, where are you supposed to put that? Oh, put it there in the bucket. There in the bucket. Go. Put it in the bucket. Wow, good job. Yay! I did it. So, guys, per pound ang bayaran. So, unlike dun sa strawberry farm na pinuntahan namin before. So, dati doon ay kuha ka na isang bucket and then eventually fix na yung price. Yun na yun. Pero dito, kung gaano kadami nakuha mo, yun yung babayaran mo. Tama, Juan? Masarap. Kada pitas ko, hindi diretso sa bucket yung sa akin, diretso sa bibig. As usual.
Look guys! I got a handful of blueberries.
Yan, ganyan yung farm. Ganyan siya kataas. Hindi ka mahirapan manguha. Nakatayo ka. Hindi ka guys sa strawberry nakahuyuko. Or sa santol na sinusukit. So, ganyan kalaki ang blueberry farm. Hanggang doon pa siya sa dulo doon. Hanggang sa natatanaw niya. Ayan. How much is that?
Like 39.
So, ayan. Napamuhan natin.
Let's go.
Okay, sir.
Hi guys, today guys we will be making the lemon blueberry cupcake. So the ingredient that we will need to make this tasty treat is lemon cupcake mix, of course, 3 eggs, water, blueberries, and coconut oil. We will also need cupcake liners where we will put our cupcakes when we bake them, and we will also need a tray. Come on guys and come with me while I'll put the ingredients in the bowl. First thing, we put the lemon cupcake mix, and then we put the eggs. And then after that, guys, we will be putting the water. And then, guys, we will be putting our coconut oil. And then, guys, we will mix it. So guys, you'll have to preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit while you're mixing. And now we will add our blueberries. Guys, I'm being really careful. This time, guys, I will be putting the cupcake liners in the tray. So guys, I'm done putting the cupcake liners. So now we will be putting our cupcake mix with the blueberries and the other ingredients so that we can bake the treats. So guys, we will now be putting the cupcakes in the oven. So guys, this is what the cupcakes looks like. So my mom put some toppers in it, and then there's like 3 blueberries, and then these are our blueberries right here, and the frosting is really good. And that, guys, is cream cheese frosting. So yeah, so let's try it, guys. It's really good. So guys, to fathers out there, happy Father's Day kay ni Lolo Ray po, kay ni Lolo Juan, at madami pa pong fathers sa buong mundo. Happy Father's Day po. And we hope you subscribe to Table for more notifications, and we will see you in our next video. Bye!
Bye.
Bye! Bye, Bye! Did you like the cake? Yeah, you like? I like cake.